Hi, my name is Noah Hodgson. I'm an associate lawyer with the firm Scott Ventura Rudikoff LLP. This video will provide an overview about the new measures that the federal and Alberta provincial governments are enacting to help employees, employers, and small businesses facing economic hardship as a result of COVID-19. Provinces across Canada have declared states of emergency this week due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In an effort to flatten the curve, the Alberta and federal governments have instituted new regulations restricting the operation of business and issued strong recommendations that citizens stay home and practice social distancing. While it is undisputed that these measures are necessary to protect the safety and well-being of Canadians, the economic implications of these measures cannot be understated. Employees and employers are already starting to feel the economic pinch caused by the slow of customers and clients. Layoffs have begun as businesses have started closing their doors in response to these new regulations and in order to combat the spread of COVID-19. Many Canadians have been left without an income, and businesses are facing significant financial difficulty and losses due to what will likely prove to be an extended closure of many businesses. On March 18th, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced an $82 billion package to help Canadian businesses and employees get through these difficult times. This package includes $27 billion in direct support, which will go directly into the pockets of Canadians. In addition, in the last week, the provincial government of Alberta has also pledged significant funds to help businesses and employees in need. First, I'm going to talk about the key benefits available to employees within Canada. As mentioned previously, $27 billion of the Aide package is going directly to support individual Canadians. Further, the Canadian government has loosened the eligibility requirements for employment insurance so that more Canadians will be able to qualify and will qualify quicker. Effective March 15th, there's no longer a one-week waiting period for EI. Employees will be able to receive EI immediately upon beginning sick leave. Employees will no longer need to produce a medical certificate in order to qualify for EI. This is in recognition of the sheer number of individuals who are in quarantine or self-isolating as a result of COVID-19. Further, the Canadian government has also enacted 2 additional benefits for employees who do not qualify for EI, but are nonetheless impacted by COVID-19. The emergency care benefit provides Canadian workers with $900 biweekly for up to 15 weeks for employees required to miss work due to quarantine, illness, or caring for someone with COVID-19. This package is specifically targeted to individuals who do not qualify for EI. This benefit will become available in April of this year. The Canadian government has also announced the emergency support benefit, which will provide up to $5 billion in long-term support for workers not eligible for EI. The Government of Canada has also announced a number of other benefits that will help Canadian workers weather the tough economic times caused by COVID-19. For example, the government has proposed an increase to the Canadian Child Benefit for the 2019 and 2020 year. Premier Jason Kenney has also announced immediate funding and supportive measures to support employees in Alberta. Changes have been made to the Employment Standards Code to allow employees to take up to 14 days of unpaid leave if they are required to self-isolate or are caring for a child or another dependent required to self-isolate. Albertans may also be eligible for a payment of up to $573 per week for a maximum of 2 weeks under the Emergency Isolation Support Program. This program is meant to bridge the gap between March and April when the federal aid payments are set to begin. In addition to the suite of benefits available to employees, The Canadian and Alberta governments have announced benefits available to employers as well. Specifically, the Alberta government is deferring the deadline for the payment of corporate income taxes until August 31st, 2020, in order to increase employers' access to cash. Residential, farm, and small commercial businesses are able to defer electricity and natural gas bill payments for up to 90 days. Finally, employers can access a special wage subsidy through the Government of Canada, which provides a 10% wage subsidy for the next 90 days to a maximum of $1,375 per employee and $25,000 per employer. This benefit is meant to help employers keep their employees employed through these difficult times. Scott Ventura Rudikoff LLP can help employers and employees alike navigate these difficult times. Layoffs and terminations will be unavoidable at this time, but employers and employees should be cognizant of their rights and duties if faced with the unfortunate situation where a layoff becomes necessary. If you are uncertain about your rights or obligations as an employer or an employee, do not hesitate to call or email any of our employment law practice members. For more information, please visit our website or read our companion article associated with this video. Thank you.